City of mine, how I love the city of mine.
हाय आई गेस आज मैं पूरा दिन एको हो रहा है आवाज। आई गेस आज पूरा दिन मैं ऐसे कैमरा लेके घूमूंगी। सो द थिंग इज दैट आई जस्ट थॉट आई विल जस्ट व्लॉग द एंटायर डे, लाइक हाउ इज अ वीक डे इन माई लाइफ, लाइक ओके ऐसा होता है। सो एंड द टाइम नाउ इज 6:15। सो ब्रशिंग माई टीथ से शुरू करते हैं आज का दिन एंड बी रेडी फॉर अ रैंडम रैंड व्लॉग वीडियो। And I'm not understanding what all to put. Like, how should I show 24 hours and 10 minutes? Oh my god. But guys, if you are new to this channel, this is Anisha this side, and if you are watching this video till the end and you're liking it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and just enjoy the rest of the video. So let's go. बॉट माई ग्रीन टी। सो सुबह मैं ग्रीन टी पीती हूँ। अगर ग्रीन टी नहीं तो मम्मी वेजिटेबल जूस बनाती है, तो वो आज नहीं है तो मैंने ग्रीन टी बना लिया, तो आज हम वो पियेंगे। सो आई विल हैव ग्रीन टी आफ्टर माई वर्कआउट। सो दिस इज़ माई मॉर्निंग रूटीन। बेसिकली मॉर्निंग रूटीन में आई हैव माई वर्कआउट, आई हैव माई जर्नलिंग, आई हैव माई मेडिटेशन। ये तीन चीज़ मैं 5-6 महीने से कंटिन्यूसली कंसिस्टेंटली कर रही हूँ एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई रियली फील सो good about it. I want to talk to you about it, but not in this video because it's gonna be so long and we don't want a long video now. So that's what the major thing when I started with workout is when I realized that my body, so by workout I really don't need that hardcore workout that we do in the gym or something like that. It's just that keep your body moving. Okay, it's like you are just moving from sofa to bed TV watching plus 9 to 5 work. You're just sitting somewhere and just doing your work, so your body is not moving, and that's the reason you should start adding exercise on your day-to-day life. तो मतलब बॉडी वर्कआउट नहीं हो रही है। सो इफ़ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस, प्लीज़ आप अपने दिन मतलब पूरे दिन में add workout somewhere in the morning or in the evening. It can be something from very basic, just exercising or just going for a walk or just doing yoga. Recently I was reading one book. Wait, I will bring that book. Yeah, so recently I was reading this book Ikigai. Okay, उसमें ऐसा है, उन्होंने एक एक्सरसाइज दिखाया है जो तुम करते हो, तुम्हारा पूरा बॉडी वार्म अप होता है। तो मैं सुबह उठ के ये करती हूँ। सो बेसिकली दे हैव दीज एक्सरसाइजेस, दिस and then this. Okay, so when you do this exercise your whole body warm up hota hai. So if you have not read this book, go read it. This is a very amazing book. This is a Japanese secret to live a long and happy life. So you can go and read this book. And उसमें वो exercise है, तो आप सुबह उठ के वो warm up कर सकते हो ताकि पूरा body हो थोड़ा warm, the full warm up हो जाएगा. Then you do your exercise or that's enough. The book में there are so many things they have written for, you know, how to stay that happy and all of it. The things we know, ऐसे नहीं कि अपने को पता नहीं है, but अपने को पता है, but ऐसा कभी कोई बोलता है या फिर ऐसे लगता है कि कोई नरेट कर रहा है तो वो एक अलग से कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है. I feel so it's a good therapy by the way. I'm adding something to my to-do list recently and that's really helping me. It's kind of a challenge I do every day with myself. So I'll show you what it is. Let's go. Hey, so having a to-do list is kind of a खतरनाक हैबिट which I am just loving it. मेरे को कुछ दिमाग में नहीं रखना है, जो भी है वो बुक में है। वो कितनी भी छोटी चीज़ हो, मतलब पूरे दिन में पता है वो करना है तो भी वो बुक में है, तो इट्स लाइक बेस्ट. सो व्हाट आई डू इज़ बेसिकली दिस इज़ अ चैलेंज आई टेक एवरी टाइम टू रिड्यूस द स्क्रीन टाइम. सो आई विल जस्ट एनालाइज कि मैं कौन सा ऐप ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रही हूँ. फॉर मी लेट्स से इट्स इंस्टाग्राम. तो मैं पूरे दिन को ऐसे एनालाइज करती हूँ और दिन में जो भी फ्री टाइम है उससे मैं 15 मिनट सिर्फ यूज़ करना चाहती हूँ इंस्टाग्राम के लिए. सो आई डेडिकेटेड टाइम रखती हूँ मैं कि मैं उतना ही टाइम में ऐप यूज़ करूँगी. दैट्स इट. सो दिस इज़ रियली हेल्पिंग मी टू बी प्रोडक्टिव एंड ट्रस्ट मी इट्स रियली नाइस टू चैलेंज योर सेल्फ एवरी डे. सो आई थिंक यू शुड ट्राई दिस ऑल्सो. मैं बाहर आई तो मम्मी पापा घर पे है नहीं, उन लोग शायद नीचे या फिर कहाँ गए, आई हैव नो क्लू. बाहर आई तो कोई है नहीं, सिर्फ चार्ली था वहाँ पर. सो नाउ 10 o'clock I have to sit for my work. It's 9:30 now, and so I will make some uttappa and we will have breakfast. It's gonna be uttappa and sambar. So let's do it. It's almost around 12:15 and I am done with my bath, and then I just get ready. Now this might sound crazy, I'm not going anywhere, I'm working from home only, but I just get ready. Okay, now get ready doesn't mean like get ready like I go outside. It's just that I'm applying some kajal, I'm applying some perfume, and I just want to make myself feel good. So this way I just feel good, and whenever I sit for my work, it's going to be a different aura that I'm creating within me, and it's really very productive, I feel, when I sit like this, and I'm all set to ace the day. And then I carry a bottle of water and a cup of coffee, and I just start my day. Guys, I would also like to say that pani piyo, pani, like keep one bottle of water with you always. College maybe if my friends are drinking 4 bottles of water, I'm still stuck with one, as I really had very small little intake of water, but now I have this app on my phone which reminds me. Other than that, I just keep it, so whenever I feel, so when you have it in front of you, you feel like drinking it, and you will just drink it. So keep this, keep yourself hydrated, keep this habit of drinking water. मैडम, मम्मी आज मेरे को किधर छोड़ के गई थी सुबह? हाँ, किधर गई थी? हाय बोल, हाय गुड टाइम. So special
Adapradhaman.
So I just remembered one thing right now, and that was about the menstrual cup, and I thought this is the right time because I am on my periods. Woo. So I thought let me just put out now, and abhi yaad aaya to banta hi hai. So I thought ki I will just put a review. It's been like more than 6 months I guess for that video, and it's been 6 months I started using the cup. Trust me, it's the best thing, guys, best thing. So I have also spoken to girls on Instagram which they are very scared using. Trust me, I was same like you did too. I mean, I was super scared. Okay, I cannot bear pain at all, and your concern is also that if it pains, how it goes inside and all of it. It doesn't pain. I trust me, if you know to Scott, it doesn't pain at all. So go give it a shot, and I'm glad I'm having a pad-free period. So if I just insert it in the morning, it's just I want to look at it at the night or late evening. So 10 hours, it's sukoon, guys. It's just the first day I have the cramp and all of it, so that's like a part of it, so it's okay. And so second day से मेरे को लगता भी नहीं कि I'm on my period. So give it a shot. अगर आपको अभी भी डर है तो buy it and keep it. लेके रख दो, अपने आप यूज़ कर लोगे. Go buy it. Add one more point here. It is out of context, and it is not because you are like that, it's because I am like that. Okay, that thing is, whenever whenever the periods week come along, or whenever the date is coming along, I start to crib like, oh my god, periods is coming and all of that, which I realize that I shouldn't, because regular periods are a sign of good health, right? And if you are someone who cribs about it, and guys, it is very wrong. We should be grateful that we are getting our periods monthly, है ना? There are so many girls and so many friends of mine who are really not getting their periods monthly, and like irregular period, and that is kind of very stressful, guys, very stressful. So please be grateful for everything you have in your life, and for having these small little things. We need to accept that it's something we are having for a reason. So yeah, peace out. What happened? Is it pedigree time? You see, this is white and this is black. Can you see that? White. Come. Take me to pedigree. Come, pedigree, come. Where is pedigree? Where is it? Where is pedigree? happened? What happened, Charlie? No, no, no. Say hi. Oh, no, I don't want your puppy. No, I don't want it. I don't want your puppy. I will give up it. So I have just come down for a walk. How can I miss this evening winds? I don't want to miss too. So I just come out for like 15-20 minutes walk and I feel good. I spend time with nature, sometimes sunsets, and today I just came early because I have some work later. So this is how it is. You know. Yeah. Yeah. I hope we get to see the moon. Beautiful. Cute light. I don't know if you're really enjoying this boring day of mine vlog. So I don't know, I hope you're enjoying it. So now it's just coffee time. मैं पहले 2 3 हाँ मैंने पहले 4 बजे पीती थी like 3 times a day. So मैंने वो कम किया, like I wanted to reduce थोड़ा कॉफ़ी का intake. तो मैंने अभी 4 बजे का बंद कर दिया. अभी directly 7:30 I have this. Okay, so this is black coffee. It's basically from Kerala. It is also known as Cotton Coffee, which is like the best guys, best. So if you ever go to Kerala, don't miss this. You will love it. This is one of the best essence of Kerala. So अभी ये पियो and yeah, you will just drink, you will love it and फिर reset, direct reset. Last thing I do in the day is night routine. मैंने एक night routine start किया है. Basically I just apply, you can see right how clear is right now my skin. I don't know what the hell is happening. If you can't see, I will just show you properly. So for all of this I have just started a night skincare routine. So देखते हैं जितना अपन अपने स्किन का ख्याल रखते हैं उतना वो रहेगा.